Track clamps are made to slide in a track. So why do we fumble with a bunch of holes when we're using a track clamp as a bench hold down? Why not slide it in a track? Introducing Woodpeckers track clamp bench tops. Woodpeckers track clamp bench tops are machined from Baltic Birch plywood that is a full inch thick. Both sides are laminated with Formica brand microdot laminate. Every brand of track clamp designed to work with track saw guide rails works in Woodpeckers track clamp bench tops. Since you're not working in a through hole, the clamps stay upright and out of your way until you're ready to clamp your work. While the tracks work better with track clamps, there's still lots of ways to use a grid of 20mm dog holes, and the two systems complement each other beautifully. Use dogs to align your work, then track clamps to hold everything in place. And all your favorite 20mm accessories work perfectly. The grid holes and track slots are milled on state-of-the-art CNC production routers and held to strict tolerance. We make three sizes of the track clamp bench top. The 24x32 fits perfectly on Woodpecker's small router table leg set. The 24x48 fits perfectly on Woodpecker's large router table leg set. Both are available with a leg set or just as a bench top if you want to build your own base. The third bench top is perfectly sized and machined as a drop-in replacement for the Festool MFT. The Formica laminated plywood table with both slots and dog holes takes multifunction to another level. And when you set it up as a cutting table, just align the guide rail with one of the track slots, and you'll never cut into your table again. And most likely, you'll never ever need to replace the top. Work smarter, not harder, with a Woodpeckers track clamp bench top. Order yours today.